Today I am going to talk about how you can improve eye contact. I was struggling with social anxiety and I found eye contact difficult for me. There was a time when I was having a conversation with a colleague and she pointed out that why I wasn't making eye contact when I am speaking with her. I became more self-conscious and stressed when I talk to people. Anxiety about making eye contact can interfere with everyday social interactions. Maintaining good eye contact is an important aspect of social interaction. Individuals who look others in the eyes are perceived as friendly and welcoming. It demonstrates that you are paying attention to others. Many shy and socially anxious people, however, struggle with this aspect of communication. Avoiding eye contact is also common in people who suffer from social anxiety because it increases their anxiety levels. Avoiding eye contact is associated with feelings of shame, embarrassment, and self-consciousness, all of which are common in people who suffer from anxiety. When you are talking to somebody, there will be times where you don't know where to look, looking down involuntarily, or have blurry vision. Here are some tips which can help you improve eye contact over time. The idea of looking into someone's eye can be daunting for you at first. You can start small with people who make you feel less anxious, such as a good friend or member of your family. When talking to people, keep your head in neutral position and try not to look down. You can look at the side of their face or at their eyebrows. Once you are more confident, you want to work your way up to more anxiety-provoking situations, such as holding eye contact with a stranger when you walk past them, or a cashier when you visit the supermarket. I know you might be thinking, what if the stranger looks back at you curiously? You could say something like, "Oh, you look like my friend from choir." The keys to overcome the fear response and maintain better eye contact is practice and exposure. It may take weeks or months to get used to making eye contact with people. Be patient with yourself. Thank you for watching. Please share the video to help more people.